In the middle of nowhere, buried under rust and dust, we found something the world had forgotten.
This was once one of the most beautiful Bugatti. Now, or so everyone thought.
She's a real beauty, ain't she? That she is. You got yourself a deal. Pleasure doing business with you. Lights on, bring her in. Ready on the hoist. Okay, start the extraction, lifting now. All right, get that panel off. Copy that, unbolting now. Careful with the hoist, it's clear, lifting.
Some cars aren't just...
All right, let's wash this 1930 model car body. Now for the suds. We'll clean all sides. Turning it to get the rear. And subscribe to AutoFix USA, because we don't just fix cars, we bring legends back to life.
If this restoration inspired you, hit like, and so loves cars, because we don't just fix cars, we bring legends back to life.